Welcome back. Let's bowl off with some cricket, shall we? The Jamaica Scorpions and the Leeward Islands Hurricanes will decide the second finalist for the regional Super50 Cup when they meet in semi-final 2 on Thursday at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad and Tobago.
Thursday's semi-final between the Scorpions and the Hurricanes will be their second meeting in 6 days, as the Jamaican franchise prevailed over the Leeward Islands team by 82 runs in the league stage last Friday. The Scorpions finished second on the points table by virtue of Friday's win, and coach Robert Haynes says he wants his players to continue being positive as it has brought them this far.
So what we're doing, we're working with what we have. And we know it's a big game coming up, but at the end of the day, what we're doing is playing the way we have been playing. All we're asking for is improvement each game.
The Leewards will once again be without their two senior batsmen in Justin Graves, who scored 3 consecutive centuries to start the competition, and Mikhail Louis, as both are with the West Indies team. For Haynes, this is a perfect opportunity for the Scorpions to seize the moment.
Well, Leeward is a very good team. They have a lot of positive in terms of their cricket. They fear no one, and it is obvious the way they played their last game at Queen's Park Oval when they were struggling at 70 for 6 and the captain went out and got a brisk 80 odd runs. But at the end of the day, what we have to do is to create pressure. Once we create pressure, we will allow them to make the mistake, because in all fairness, the Leeward Islands have lost 2 of their top batters, and when you lose your 2 top run scorer, it is always difficult.
Steve LeBird is the coach of the Leewards, and he wants his players to realize the magnitude of the occasion.
Last couple of games, we wouldn't have done as good as we wanted to with the bat, so it's just about preparing for this semi-final as well as we can. Just players being a bit more smart how they go about their innings and just ensuring that we put up a good fight in the semi-final. It's pretty much a one-off game, then you go to the final. So just making sure on that day we tick all the boxes in the lead up to that game on Thursday.
The game is set to bowl off at 12 noon Jamaica time on Thursday.